Hello, I tried this, but I failed. I tried to create a difference in temperature between this part and this part, and I use a pump. Is intended for water and the same for air, but is necessary air pump. Is just a test. This can be used as an air pump and high pressure here. If the gas has high pressure, I expect to be hotter, to be high temperature, and low pressure here. Between these two parts, I connect this and I solder this, I think, good enough. This is a thinner, you see, this is thinner, and if the gas move in that direction, this thinner stop little bit the gas. This is the diffuser, let's say diffuser, if you accept, and create a difference in pressure, high pressure and low pressure. This is high temperature and low temperature. There is obviously a discussion why if gas increase in pressure increase the same in temperature in adiabatic transform. Yeah, there is a discussion. I let it open because you expect the speed of particle of molecule be the same. But okay, I let this open. So I have this. Let's say this is in my case diffuser, and this is pump. But I fail with this. If you guys know what I did wrong, please tell me. This is when it's running and no difference in temperature. It's running with air. I think I use the same gas for feeling lighter, and let's see what's happened when I fill with this gas. You observe the pump slow down. The gas will escape. Okay. I will try again. Let's see what's happened when I fill with gas. The compressor slow down, and yeah, let's escape this wire. So the compressor slow down, gas escape. This measurement of temperature is for kitchen, but I will try to measure here. Is almost the same temperature, this and this. The compressor it's slowed down because it's gas here. This is but no difference in temperature. This is just for show you which type of gas. So this and this, it's a little bit low temperature, a little bit cold, but it's the same temperature. Why? Why do not obtain? Maybe this is not thinner enough. This, let's say, diffuser is not correct diffuser, but let's say so. Anyway, increasing in speed, that's mean the gas escaped, and if you guys knows what I did wrong, if I do not obtain difference in temperature here and here, because is obviously a difference in pressure, please tell me. So I need your help, guys. If you know what is wrong here, please tell me. Let me say a joke. If it's green and run away, just joking, it's biology. If do not smell good, it's chemistry. And if do not working, it's surely physics. It's just a joke.